Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Speed Freaks from Warhammer game, and now I can show you how to change screen resolution on this game. So now, this game I see on my full screen, but you see it only in small window. It's just because the quality and resolution in my game now it's very bad. So maybe 1000 to 1020 to 240, I don't know. So now we will change it to full HD. To do that, firstly we should open the settings. Afterwards, here just find screen resolution. So it's a very good idea just to choose full screen window, of course, and click space button. Click space again, and your resolution will be matched to your screen. But if it doesn't work, so you can choose here full HD resolution and choose space twice. And in this case, the quality of the game will be returned to normal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.